everyone! Today we are at Xinmin Gardens Prime District 20, Block 408. If you're searching for a home that offers 1 km proximity to Singapore's prestigious school, Ai Tong School, breathtaking views from your bedroom, and also the seamless connectivity where Bright Hill MRT is right at your doorstep, please stay with Property 65 as you unravel this renovated 5-room HDB condo flat just for you. Once again, I'm Eunice and let's head up to the unit.
Located along Xinmin Avenue, this unit is only 2 to 3 minutes sheltered walkway to Bright Hill MRT and doorstep to the upcoming Cross Island Line entrance. There are also HDB shops at Block 410 where you can find Sheng Siong Supermarket for daily necessities. It is also 10 minutes walk to Upper Thomson MRT, Thomson Plaza, and an array of shop houses with famous eateries and restaurants. Just add another 3 minutes walk to Shun Fu Mat Food Centre and Wet Market. As for families with children, you'll be glad to know that there are a total of 2 primary schools within 1 km where you can find the reputable Ai Tong School, Top 11, and Ang Mo Kio Primary School. Within 2 km, the prestigious CHIJ St. Nicholas Girls School, Top 14, Catholic High School, Top 4, Mayflower Primary School, and Teck Ghee Primary School. This unit is sized at 1,302 square feet. It comes with a master ensuite, 2 common rooms, bathroom, living and dining area, an enclosed kitchen, and a unique semicircle balcony area.
As we step into this home, you'll see this beautiful, spacious and bright living area just right at this entrance. And as we head here, we can see this beautiful dining corner which can sit up to 6 to 8 seater. And what is special about this layout is that you get a very unique semicircle balcony that separates the living and the balcony area, giving you separate space for your individual activities.
Step inside into this move-in ready, super spacious and squarish living and dining area, a rare find in today's market. With no awkward corners, and just look at this enclosed semicircle balcony, a unique feature that offers the perfect nook to unwind with a cup of coffee while enjoying the serene view. Now, let's step into the enclosed kitchen, a dream for anyone who loves cooking. The spacious layout allows for a full suite of top to bottom cabinetry and you'll never run out of storage space. It is also renovated and maintained really well. Moving on to the 2 incredibly spacious common bedrooms, you'll be amazed at their size. You get to wake up every morning to the sight of lush greenery of Bishan Ang Mo Kio Park. And unlike typical HDB layouts, these rooms are so large that you can turn into even a stylish guest suite. What's more, Bishan Ang Mo Kio Park is just nearby within minutes, perfect for your morning jog or running session.
Come on. Welcome to the master bedroom. Are you interested in the construction line? Come on, something to see for you. This master bedroom shows a construction site of Bright Hill MRT. Although there is some noises right now, but it will be completed really soon for you. The best layout of this room is that you can have this very nice highlight of the lush greenery that you can wake up every morning and start your day perfectly.
And now, let's welcome to your very own private sanctuary, the master bedroom. This room is an oasis of calm, spacious enough to accommodate a king-size bed and many more. Similarly, you get to overlook the beautiful, serene views of nature outside your window any time of the day. The ensuite bathroom ensures ultimate privacy and convenience, featuring a well-maintained, modern layout and plenty of space to refresh and rejuvenate.
Yes! Ending, yes! Alright, we come to the end of the home tour and I hope you love this undervalued HDB unit here. If you'd like to see this unit, please contact me, I'm Eunice. And please remember to like, share and subscribe and follow us on all social media platforms, link in the description box below. And in Property 65, we uplift your home value, we sell higher!